The OnePlus 12 introduction earlier this year may still be fresh in your memory, but attention is quickly shifting to the OnePlus 13. If OnePlus follows its prior release timetable, the next phone might be available by the end of the year, at least in China, with a wider release in early 2025. As a result, work on the successor to one of the best Android phones available today has already begun. Certainly, our OnePlus 12 review shows that the new phone has a tough act to follow. The OnePlus 12 significantly improved the flagship OnePlus device, including a better periscope telephoto lens, a brighter display, and the reintroduction of wireless charging. With several premium features accessible in a phone that costs less than comparable devices like the iPhone 15 Pro and S24 Plus, the OnePlus 12 solidified OnePlus status as the phone maker to turn to if you're dissatisfied with what Apple and Samsung are offering. So how does OnePlus build on its current success? Here's everything we know so far about the OnePlus 13, based on early rumors. OnePlus has recently begun unveiling new flagship phones in December, with the handset making its debut in China shortly before the new year. For example, the OnePlus 12 launched in China on December 6, 2023, before going global a month later. In the United States, the OnePlus 12 went on sale on February 6. We haven't heard anything about the OnePlus 13 release plans from the rumor mill yet. That won't happen until later this year. However, there is no reason to believe OnePlus will stray from that plan, with a December 2024 release in China followed by a global launch in the first 3 months of 2025. The OnePlus 12 had a beginning price of $799, but a trade-in offer cut that to $699, which was the same as what the phone company charged for the OnePlus 11. It's uncertain whether OnePlus will be able to keep the OnePlus 13 price in the same range, since other phone manufacturers have battled with growing component costs. For the time being, we'd estimate somewhere between $699 and $799, assuming no fresh price rumors emerge. Brar anticipates that the OnePlus 13 will include a micro-quad curved display, with the top and bottom curved similarly to the right and left sides. The Honor Magic 6 Pro features this type of display, but it is uncommon. Thus, the OnePlus 13 may stand out for that feature. More recently, Android Authority discovered a Weibo article saying that the OnePlus 13 might take a different approach, with a flat display covered in curved glass on all 4 sides to achieve a bezel-free appearance. The same leaker who made the allegation also claims that OnePlus would use a 2K OLED panel for its future flagship. Initial OnePlus 13 speculations predict a little alteration to the phone's design, or at least the placement of the camera array on the device's back. For the past few models, OnePlus has used a circular array, and it appears that this will continue with the OnePlus 13. However, tipster Yogesh Brar posted a graphic in which the OnePlus 13's camera array has been shifted closer to the phone center. The same post claims that OnePlus will adopt a rectangular array for the OnePlus 13R, the successor to the OnePlus 12R. Perhaps this is how OnePlus distinguishes between its budget and middle variants. It's also worth mentioning that several reports on the Chinese social media platform Weibo have suggested that the OnePlus 13's camera array will also be rectangular, but we're not sure if those tipsters are mixing the flagship with the R variant. Last week, some facts about the OnePlus 13's camera configuration leaked in China, and now the same prolific source known as Digital Chat Station has returned with some new information about the specific sensors utilized. The OnePlus 13's main camera will reportedly use a Sony LYT-808 sensor, while the ultra-wide and 3x periscope zoom cameras will use the IMX-882 instead. All 3 sensors feature 50 megapixels resolution, as previously rumored, which means the telephoto has fewer pixels, and the ultra-wide has a few more when compared to the OnePlus 12 configuration. Of course, the new camera should provide higher quality images in movies. The OnePlus 13 is also expected to include a 6,000 megapixels battery, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, and a new camera island design. It will become official by the end of this year, at least for the Chinese market. The worldwide model may trail after slightly. Battery life should not be an issue for the OnePlus 13 if the OnePlus 12 is any indication. The current OnePlus flagship made it onto our list of the greatest phone batteries, lasting 17 hours and 41 minutes. Only 4 other gadgets we examined in the last 18 months outperformed it. If you want something to worry about, consider this report from Digital Chat Station on Weibo, which appears to hint that wireless charging will not be supported on the OnePlus 13. That would be a significant reversal for OnePlus, which reinstated wireless charging to the OnePlus 12 after removing it from the OnePlus 11. According to Digital Chat Station, the OnePlus 13 will be powered by a 6,000 mAh battery, up from the 5,400 mAh power pack in the OnePlus 12. It's still early days for the OnePlus 13, so expect lots more rumors between now and the end of the year. However, with a new camera setup, a large battery, and Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 power, there's already a lot to get excited about in the next OnePlus flagship model. So, let us know what you think in the comments section. As always, see you tomorrow. Peace out.